Hey, it's Coach Maggie, and I'm cooking up a quick Friday night meal I ordered from a subscription. It is called Good Ranchers, and I'd heard about them on different podcasts. You can buy chicken, beef, you can get a box basically with your favorite things that you like. I was impressed by the things I heard. The reviews were great, and I love the fact that these are farmers in America, and this chicken breast is awesome. They said it's better than organic, and it is raised, hatched, harvested in the U.S., no hormones. It's been very tender. There were two small packages. This was one, although I've been munching on it, and this is the other. And I plan to do fajitas tonight with this one. And then with this one, I thought I'd go Asian and do maybe a stir fry or something. But again, really impressed. We had the sirloin steaks a couple weeks ago. They were very tender. And again, I was very, very pleased, very lean. And I liked how it was packaged, came right to my door. You can set it up. You can do it one time, see if you like it. And if not, you just cancel. Otherwise, it is a subscription, and you can schedule it, you can delay. I set hours up for every 5 to 6 weeks. 8 weeks is an option, or monthly, depends on your family. But again, I've just been really impressed. And in the description, I'll leave a link. Give it a try. And actually, they reward me for referring you, but it's great because you can get a discount on your next 3 orders. So anyway, give it a try. Let me know. Check out the link.